Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Vanguard account. First, it's crucial to ensure your account balance is at zero. This means either selling all your investments or transferring them out. Remember to consider any potential tax implications, especially for taxable accounts, before selling. Having your account number and personal information readily available will help streamline the entire closure process. To empty your Vanguard account, you have two main options. You can transfer your assets in kind to another brokerage, which means moving your investments as they are, often avoiding immediate tax consequences. Alternatively, you can sell all your holdings within Vanguard and then withdraw the cash to your linked bank account. It's important to ensure all transactions, like recent deposits or trades, have fully settled before you proceed. Once your account balance is zero, you can initiate the closure. For online closure, log into your Vanguard account, go to Profile and Account Settings, then Accounts and Trading, and select Close Account. If you prefer, you can call Vanguard Client Services directly at 1-877-662-7747. They are available Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, to assist you with the process. After initiating the closure, Vanguard may place your account in a closing status for up to 3 months to process any final fees or dividends. You will receive a final statement for the month your account is officially closed. Even after closure, you can typically still access previous tax forms and transaction history online. It's always a good practice to download and keep copies of all your important account documents for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.